I learned from firsthand how it is possible to turn derelict part of the city into something that people would want to live and work and play in. People call this urban regeneration. Urban regeneration is really one of the most powerful policy tools anyone can have for cities. It's direct intervention. You're really going into the city and intervene, both hardware and software, so both policy and physical change. All cities have to change. If they don't change, they would die, because outside the economic environment, the social environment change, and internally the city also changed. But then how do you change cities? How can we improve physically the condition and realize social progress? Some governments use it to improve housing and health standard in the city. Some city governments use it to help deliver sustainable city. Some cities use it to manage urban decay. You can also use it to manage urban growth. A very important part is to understand what all the different stakeholders are looking for and work with them. See how we could improve an environment for all the different businesses. You actually need an integrated, comprehensive set of objectives that are social, economic, environmentally sound. So we help them realize the dream.